Okay, let's create this cake animation with our friend's name on it. So first thing we want to do, go to this URL. I'll provide it in the video description. We want to download the file. Once the file has been downloaded, you'll get a zip file. Once you extract it, you open it up and open up the Blender file. First thing you'll see is this. So we click the play icon at the top. This brings up the 3D names panel. If it's not visible, press the N key to show or hide it. Next thing, we want to edit the text. Pretty simple, just press the tab key and you enter edit mode. You can then delete or edit your text. We'll keep it the same message. If you want to resize it, press the S key and we can scale it up or down with our mouse, and we want to fit it within the red guides. Same for this second text. We want to then delete. I'm going to type John. Same for this one, press the S key and we're going to scale it up and we're going to fit it within the red guides. Next, choose the person's age. Let's say John is 31. Now we hit Run Scene Setup. This will take a few moments and then our scene is set up. If we scrub through the animation, we'll see the candles appear onto the cake, the balloons appear and the name animates it. If we want to adjust the colors, we can choose different cake icing. We've set up different presets. Let's choose chocolate. You can change the text color from gold or silver to text 1, text 2. I'm going to keep the defaults here. And we can change the balloon colors. In this case, let's choose blue. The next one, we want to set up the confetti. So on Windows, when we press this button, a console window appears and it shows us the progress. For Mac or for Linux, this won't show. Blender will appear to freeze, but don't worry, it's working in the background. And as soon as it's done, Blender will unfreeze and the scene will change. Now, don't play the animation yet. We want to next bake the physics. What this does is it saves the physics animation to the file itself. So when we save it, we can reopen it and the physics is ready to use and view later on. Okay, I'm going to skip this video forwards. Okay, excellent. Our baked data is now finished. So now when we play the animation, we'll see the candles appear and we'll see the confetti now dropping down into our scene. Perfect. Next, we want to go to render settings. I've created 4 settings: draft, medium, high and ultra. They're pretty self-explanatory. I recommend rendering in draft first to see how your animation looks. And once you're happy, then you can choose the medium, high or ultra. Ultra, probably want to wait overnight for it to render. If you need to reset the scene, press this button here and it'll reset everything back to normal and you can edit a text again and choose the colors. And then finally, we have a landscape, which is the default, or portrait camera for Instagram and TikTok. And that's it. Thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe button and have a look on our website for more animations. Thank you. Oh, a couple of extra things to note in this scene. So if you switch to the shaded view, you'll get a better preview of how it's going to look. Now when you render, I've set the render output to be this relative folder here. So where we opened our file from, there's already a folder in there called renders. And if I switch to the draft mode, just to show you, this switches to the Eevee render. Now if I press Ctrl F12 or Command F12 on the Mac, you'll see it starts rendering out and our frames get rendered into this location here. If you need help to combine the video frames into a video animation, you can go to our download section. And in here, I've provided a guide and a file where you can open up the file and follow the steps to combine the PNGs into a video animation. I always recommend rendering out as PNGs. You can render directly to a video if you want. However, yeah, always tighter, always render in PNG. If you render to a video and your computer crashes or you get a power cut or anything, you'll lose your data. So completely recommend always rendering as PNGs and then using the video sequencer to combine your images afterwards. Anyway, thank you very much.